Hello and welcome to this video series. I made these videos to show you the power of your brain. If you just give it what it needs, it automatically learns languages. When you understand the meaning, but you don't understand all of the words, this is called comprehensible input. Now here's the amazing part. If you understand the meaning, but you don't understand all of the words, your brain automatically searches for connections between the meaning and the words. In these videos, I will tell you stories in a language you don't understand, but I will show you pictures and I will draw pictures and use my hands and my face, and this will help you to understand the meaning. After you get some hours of comprehensible input, something amazing happens. You hear a word or a sentence and you realize that you understood it. Now, for other languages, this process takes a long time, but I will be telling you these stories in a language which has only 120 words, so the process will be much faster. I will tell you 30 stories, and each story will take 20 minutes on average. If you want, when you finish the stories, you can watch them all again. Now this part is important. When you watch the stories, focus on the meaning, not the words. Don't say to yourself, this word must mean this, and that word must have some kind of function. Don't do that. Take a step back and give your subconscious mind a chance to show you what it can do. Focus on the story. When you watch the story, you might say things like, I think this person is trying to do this. I think that animal wants to go there. That's okay, because it shows that you're focusing on the meaning. So how can you know if it's working? Well, when you come to the end of a video, you might say to yourself, I don't think I learned any Toki Pona, but I understood 80% of the story. Perfect. That's great. You're doing it right. Keep watching more stories, because after some more stories, you'll start to notice something. I will use a word and you will understand this word. You will say to yourself, wow, I understood this word. I understood that sentence, but I didn't do anything. My brain understood it automatically. Exactly. Your brain automatically made the connections when it got enough comprehensible input. Of course, for Toki Pona, this process is very fast because it is a simple language. I have some other videos in English where I explain more. But don't forget this feeling. Your brain automatically learnt a language from comprehensible input. Don't forget this experience. Use this experience to succeed. That's it.